So I've managed to empty the closet except the diapers. I left the diapers in here and also the wipes because I just want to arrange her clothes and then see where I want to put those items. So I'm already tired. These days I get exhausted so quick. Oh my god, look at these cute boots. I got these from TJ Maxx. Oh my gosh, they are so freaking cute. So these are for 3 to 6 months. I cannot wait for my baby to wear these. They are so adorable. Oh my gosh. Quick one, guys. Just going through my daughter's stuff, fixing her room, reminds me of so much, and it has me thinking about how blessed and amazing her life is. When my mom had me, she didn't have many baby clothes. My mom had 6 kids, so she basically repeated the same clothes on her babies because she could not afford many clothes. And I'm going through my daughter's stuff. She has all kinds of clothes, lots and lots of clothes, and I'm still buying her more clothes. My husband and I want our kids, well, right now, our daughter, to have the most beautiful life that we could have ever wished for. We do not want her to go through the same things that we went through. Our parents went through a lot to provide. And still, we are still struggling to provide for ourselves. One thing that a lot of African parents like ours don't do for their kids is prepare them for a better future in a way that is suitable for the children, because a lot of African parents do things saying they're doing it for their kids, but really they're not. When you're doing something for your kids, you do something that will benefit them, not you. A lot of African parents do not save for their kids. They do not start businesses for their kids. They do not invest in their kids the way that they should, so that their kids will end up enjoying the things that they are building.